Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe. Here we have an alphabet. So we will fill this in this mode. So let's get started. Our first letter is A. A for apple. This is an apple. A. A for apple. Next letter is B. We will search B. Here is our B. B for ball. B is for ball. C. C for cheese. This is an C. C for cheese. The next is D. Where is D? Yeah, this is a D. D for dog. D is for dog. Next is E. This one is E. E for elephant. F. Where is F? Yeah, this is a F. F for frog. F is for frog. Next is G. G for goat. G is for goat. H. H for hen. H is for hen. I. Where is I? Yes, it's I. I for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J. J for juice. J is for juice. K. K. Where is K? Yeah, this is a K. K for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L. L for lamb. L is for lamb. M. M. Yes, this is an M. M for monkey. M is for monkey. N. N for nose. N is for nose. O. O is for owl. Owl. P. P for peacock. P is for peacock. Q. Q for queen. Q is for queen. R. R for rat. R is for rat. S. S for snow. S is for snow. Then T. T for tub. T is for tub. U. U for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Then V. V for vegetables. V is for vegetables. W. W for watch. W is for watch. X. X for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. And Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe.